Austin, Rafael. And today, we will be talking about a CATHAY Pacific Boeing 777-ER that flew to Xiamen for maintenance this morning. So this aircraft that I'll be talking about is Bravo Kilo Quebec Golf, and they share the flight number of 63820 with a great circle distance of 496 kilometers. Actual flight duration 10.1 hours and 4 minutes, and ground speed of 3 knots, and a drag of 73 degrees as you can see here. This aircraft took off at the southern runway, which is runway 7 right, at exactly 4:49 AM local time in Hong Kong, in the Check Airport. They flew over South Victoria Harbor, South China Sea, and the mainland China. She landed in Xiamen at runway 05 at exactly 5:53 AM local time in Xiamen, Gaohe, in the HAECO hangar for maintenance. I hope this aircraft won't retire since she's not leased, and I'm expecting her to retire the soonest to give way to the Boeing 777-9X for its replacement. So for the details of Bravo Kilo Quebec Golf, kindly check the previous video about this bird. So that's a wrap for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Hope to see you guys in the next update, and do not forget to hit the subscribe button down below, as well as the bell icon next to it for more upcoming updates like this one. All by me, Roberto Monico Ignacio, and my friend from Toronto, Canada, Austin Rafael Hui. Bye guys, and see you on the next update.